25 miles per hour. Those light winds will be in the Magic Valley as well. Highs around 95 for Twin Falls and Gooding. And those winds will switch directions throughout the day today. And in the west central mountains, temperatures in the 80s for Cascade and McCall, mid-90s for Donnelly and Garden Valley. Mostly sunny skies with increasing clouds throughout the day. East central mountains will be mid-80s for Stanley and Sun Valley, and upper mid-90s for Fairfield, mostly sunny with isolating thunderstorms. Thank you, Jay. And a look at the extended forecast will show 99 for the high today and tomorrow, with the chance of seeing some thunderstorms Saturday. Scorching temperatures around 100 degrees for Sunday into Monday, and mid-90s for the rest of the week. Rachel.
Go ahead,
Thank you.
You just got a cough.
It happens to the best of us. All right.
I'm not going to lie, that
I'm good
exact
now.
thing has
I'm
happened to
good
me
now.
on the air before, so I can hear it coming. All right.
Thanks, Karen.